So guys, for the first step, if you're using either a VPN or a proxy server, you want to disable it. For the second step, once you're on Twitch, if we look in the URL, right next to it, we're going to be having this right here. You want to click on this. Now you're going to click on cookies and site data. Now you're going to click on manage on-device site data. You want to delete everything that comes up here. And then click on done. Now we're going to click on this again. Now you're going to click on site settings. And now this will come up. Now you're going to click on delete data. And then click on delete. And now for the next step, you're going to head it with search and type in view network connections. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you're going to find your network adapter. You're going to double click on it. And then click on properties. And then click on Internet Protocol version 4. Make sure that you have obtain an IP address automatically selected. Now you want to select use the following DNS server address. You want to make the first line 8888 and you'll make the second line 8844 and then click on OK. And now for the next step, you want to head it with search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you want to type in ipconfig space / flush DNS. Click on enter. Now you're going to type in netsh space winsock space reset. Click on enter again. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.